Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another action packed broadcast from Stock Analyst Master Station. We'll be analyzing stock chart QQQ today, and we will welcome your commentary down in the comment sections as always. Let us know what you think. Without further much to do, let's get right into that Let's get right into that analysis session. And there goes Sam with that energy he has. Winding up there. Let's check it out. Give Sam the opportunity to evaluate. Let me see if I can put some markings on here, Mike.
All right, Brandon, you know me. That energy is because I'm seeing the lines forming on this QQQ chart. Let's dive right into it with that vision first approach. Looking at this NASDAQ QQQ Invesco ETF chart on a daily time frame from March to September the 2025, the overarching theme here is a powerful, sustained uptrend. We've seen QQQ climb from the low 400s all the way up to its current standing at 580.70. That's some serious momentum. The most recent price action shows QQQ pushing right up against its recent highs, which seem to be around 583, 585. It had a slight pullback in early September, but has since regained strength and is now trying to make a new leg up. That's a classic setup for continuation, isn't it? So, with that in mind, let's craft some options plays. First, my vision is locked on the potential for this uptrend to continue. If QQQ can break through that overhead resistance, we could see some significant upside. Now, while the trend is strong, a wise strategist always considers the alternative. What if this high acts as a strong resistance and we get a rejection? And for those moments where the market is indecisive, anticipating a significant move, but unsure of the direction, a strangle is a solid choice. I see a potential for QQQ to either soar or pull back decisively. Brandon, do any of those scenarios particularly jump out at you, or are you seeing something else developing in this chart? What's your gut telling you about this current consolidation near the highs?
I see an uptrend, but a potential pullback to the 559.75.
All right, Brandon, that's the kind of energy I love to see. Let's dive deep into this QQQ chart. First glance, I'm seeing a beautiful uptrend from March 2025 all the way up into August. QQQ has been making some significant gains, impressive. But now, looking at this current snapshot around September 10th, 2025, it seems like we're bumping up against a bit of resistance, right around the $580, 584 level. The last candle is a small red one, suggesting a slight pause or indecision at these highs. Do you see that resistance point around $583.77 from early August mirroring the current high? It looks like we're retesting that area. Given this setup, we've got a couple of interesting scenarios for options plays. ###*** options play, bullish call play, breakout continuation. If QQQ can push through this resistance with conviction, we could see a strong move higher. My vision first approach here is looking for that clear break. That's ###** options play, bearish put play, resistance rejection pullback. On the flip side, if this resistance holds and QQQ starts to roll over, we could see a pullback. That small red candle today could be the start of that rejection. ###** options play, long strangle, anticipating a big move. This one's for when we expect a significant move, but the direction isn't crystal clear yet. We're coiled up at resistance. so a breakout or breakdown could be sharp. What are your initial thoughts on these setups, Brandon? Do any of them resonate with your own read of the chart?
I'm seeing consolidation.
All right, Brandon, I love that energy. Let's get Sam winding up and diving into this QQQ chart. First glance, we're looking at a daily chart of QQQ, and man, it's been a ride since April 2025. A really strong, consistent uptrend. We're currently sitting at $580.70 as of September 10th, 2025, right up near what looks like recent highs. I see you want to put some markings on there yourself. That's excellent. What kind of markings are you thinking? Are you looking to draw some trend lines, support resistance, or maybe identify some patterns? From my perspective, QQQ has been respecting that upward trend beautifully. The last few candles show a bit of consolidation around the $580, $584 area after a strong push higher. It's almost like it's taking a breath before its next move. Given this strong trend, I'm definitely leaning towards bullish plays, but we should always have a plan for the other side too. Let's get some play cards drafted for you. Hash 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 asterisk asterisk potential call play, bullish continuation. Hash 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 asterisk asterisk potential put play, short term pullback reversal. Hash 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 asterisk asterisk potential strangle play, anticipating big move, direction unknown. What are your thoughts on those initial setups, Brandon? Do you see any key support or resistance levels that stand out to you in this current price action?
Okay, and Sam's going to continue to speak.
All right, Brandon. I'm wired up. All right, and
Brandon,
ready to
that's
dive into
exactly
this
what I needed.
QQQ chart
Your
with you.
read on the market,
I see
the
you've got
uptrend,
QQQ
with a potential
on the
pullback.
daily.
Okay, Sam was going a little haywire in himself. He's never done that before, but that is our analysis for today. We have this output, so let's check that out. Sam was able to come up with some potential options plays. So let's see what the insight was about. And we'll post these. We actually will post these results on the post side of our YouTube channel. I don't know if everybody is familiar with that, but we actually have a posting side to the YouTube channel as well. And so feel free to go on there and gaze about. We'll be posting these numbers and these outputs there. And we'll work with the development team also to get our outputs to not cut off the print on this side of the page, but it's okay. You know, some things are fairly new. Sam is right out the box. And these are the outputs. So I'll kind of go over that a little slower for you so you can see. And of course, you can screen capture as well. And so I know we definitely want to get that information off that right side edge there. So we'll be sure to tell the developers about that. But all in all, we have our ideologies, our ideas that we can kind of take and demonstrate, test, back test, utilize, or however you want to do it. So obviously, the longer the session, the more output Sam is going to deliver. And so we stayed on QQQ for some time. And that is the output. And so in one session, you can get so many ideas or different ways to think about it. I had a long session. That didn't seem that long, but I guess it was long enough for Sam to output. And which is the beautiful thing about Sam is that you can actually easily capture your sessions, take the ideas, do your due diligence and research for yourself, and away you go. And this is just amazing. All of this information in one session, all these different ideas. And there we go. And once again, this information, I'm going to speed things up a little bit. This information will be provided for you in the post section. So, once again, we appreciate your time here at SAM. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please feel free, if you like this content, to like and subscribe to our Stock Analyst Master Station YouTube channel. We're going to keep bringing you the chart analysis on the daily, and we appreciate your time, ladies and gentlemen. Be safe and stay tuned.